Gollum. The ring is mine, doing my precious destiny.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about Google Veo 3.1, which is the updated version of Google Veo 3. As of now, Google Veo 3.1 hasn't been officially launched by Google, but you can still access it through Higgsfield AI. Google Veo 3.1 is truly impressive. It allows you to create more realistic talking videos with clear and natural voice quality, far better than the previous version. Moreover, with Google Veo 3.1, you can generate long up to 30 seconds, complex cinematic scenes with outstanding video quality and consistency. All right, without wasting any time, let's get started and explore how to use Google Veo 3.1 step by step. You can directly visit the Higgsfield Google Veo 3.1 website using the link provided in the description. Once there, complete the sign-up process to get started. To create a video with Veo 3.1, you'll first need an image. For that, click on the image section at the top. Then, in the image creation section, you can use top AI models like Higgsfield Sol, Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, and WAN 2.2 to generate stunning cinematic images. I've already created several images featuring consistent characters, so I'll simply download one of them to use for the video. Next, let's move to the video section. Click on Create Video, and you'll see an interface appear on your screen. To generate your video, upload your selected image in the upload box, and then enter your prompt in the prompt section according to the type of results you want. You can take help from ChatGPT to write an effective prompt, or access my ready-to-use prompts from my Telegram channel. After that, choose your model. Several powerful AI models are available here, but we'll select Veo 3.1. Then, set your video quality, I'm selecting 1080p, and choose your aspect ratio, I'm going with 16:9. Finally, click on the Generate button. After waiting a few moments, your video will be ready. Let's play it now and see how the results have turned out. I got some really impressive results. The dragon looks incredibly realistic, and the visuals are crystal clear. It genuinely feels like a scene from a Vikings movie. However, the voice isn't very clear. It's hard to understand both the dragon's roar and the Vikings' dialogue. Apart from that, the overall consistency is excellent, perfectly matching the details I described in the prompt. The Vikings are charging toward the dragon, attacking fiercely, while the dragon breathes fire upon them. All right. Now I'll show you a talking video, which will also help us test the voice quality of Veo 3.1. You'll need to follow the same process. First, upload your image in this box. Then, enter your prompt in the prompt box. This time, I'll add detailed character speech in the prompt, lines that I want the character to say in the video. Here's my example prompt. Greater than a hyper-realistic shot of Gollum, a pale, eerie creature with large, expressive blue eyes, crouching on a dark volcanic ledge. Behind him, a massive volcano erupts, glowing with molten lava and casting fiery light across his wet, wrinkled skin. Smoke and ash swirl in the air, embers floating around him. He looks up slowly, eyes burning with obsession, and whispers intensely, "I am Gollum. The ring is mine. My precious destiny." I've also added the video style: cinematic close-up, dramatic lighting, glowing lava reflections, shallow depth of field, lens flares, 4K ultra-realistic detail, dark fantasy atmosphere, intense emotion. Keep the model the same. I'll set the video quality to 1080p and the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now click the Generate button, wait a few moments, and your video will be ready. All right, the video is ready. Let's play it and see how it turned out.
I am Gollum. The ring is mine, but my precious destiny. I am Gollum. The ring is mine, but my precious destiny.
The results this time are absolutely outstanding. The voice quality in Veo 3.1 is incredibly clear and natural. a major improvement over Veo 3, where the dialogues often had that typical AI-generated tone. In Veo 3.1, the voice sounds so realistic that it feels almost human. The visuals are equally breathtaking, truly cinematic, just like scenes straight out of The Lord of the Rings. Even Gollum's character looks remarkably lifelike and detailed, making the entire video feel like a high-budget Hollywood production. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share in the comments how you found these results. And the best part is, you too can create such stunning, Hollywood-style cinematic videos with ultra-realistic voices using Veo 3.1. I've included the official Higgsfield Veo 3.1 link in the description below. Click it and start creating your own stunning cinematic videos right now. If this video helped or inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing AI tutorials and cinematic creation guides. See you in the next one.